Hey, Curt Isakson here with a little bit of thoughts and opinions, not on the dock, based on the cold front, cool front. Everything's relative in temperature that's coming through. Got like a 20-mile-an-hour wind down there, so it'd be pretty loud. But I got some pretty big stuff coming up. I'm going to start doing videos again from the dock with the weather getting nicer. I got a full list that I've been working on the last couple of months. Just got back from 2 weeks basically on the road down in Vero Beach with an awesome 3 days, and then was over Mississippi for a soccer tournament and actually flew from there to FDIC. For me, it was one of the best FDICs in years, and I've been going the last 25 years. It's pretty awesome just to see, the people out there that have been working together, pushing the group, especially working on Firefighter Rescue Survey, getting the right, proper attention and people looking at it. So make sure you check out firefighterrescuesurvey.com. Spread it to your fire department, get your fire department signed up, understanding that it's not just about search. It's about, making the rescue, making the grab, bringing them back and just doing more than we have in the past, if you will. So that's going to be something that we got to push. Man, I tell you what, Brian Brush's keynote was unbelievable. I was fortunate enough that Brush let me read it and be with him and get to see him rehearse it, and sitting in the big room there up front. It was over the top. It wouldn't matter how many times I'd read it or watched him do it. It was like I'd never heard it before. Just the energy, or as he said, the rows of fire. So if you hadn't seen it, you got to go check it out. Watch it, share it with your department, your crew, your battalion, at your station. If you're not liking this page, make sure you like it and follow it so you'll get the little tickle, the notification that when we're going to do a live video. Also working on getting these through a YouTube channel like CFT Fire Ops on YouTube. So if I get hacked again, we don't lose them. That was kind of demotivating to lose, probably over 100 videos that were out there. So make sure you like this page. You might know it's here, but make sure you like it, you follow it, share it with other people tonight. Another big thing is later this week, for the first time ever, we've never done this, we're going to have the CFT 50. It's only going to be 50 spots, and just doing it because after 2024, we've already been working to change things and move things different. The biggest, most significant thing is Jessica and I will be empty nesters a year from this summer. So after 2024, all of our kids will be out of the house and off at college, starting their careers. So we'll be looking to do things around the country more as we can travel and not have to be, locked here at the house. So let your friends know CFT 50. I know it's crazy, but it's just like the CFT 100, except it's for an individual, and it's $600 for all 4 fire conferences next year. That includes the CFT ODP that Chief Mike Lombardo is going to open up on Monday, the 5-day officer development program. You're going to get first emails when we get the codes for the crazy priced rooms. So check out later this week and let your friends know the CFT 50 is going to just be off the chain. 4 fire conferences, with our reputation of the CFT team, $150 a conference. That's right, an average of $150 a conference, only 50 of them. Also, the CFT 100 next year, absolutely guaranteed the last year that we'll do the CFT 100. So let your training chief know, your training division, your fire department, those sell out. And that's the ones that you can change on who you send. The CFT 50 is just for an individual, but the CFT 100 will go on sale later this week too. And next year's the last year. It's a lot to manage the fact that when somebody has one of those, they're sending different people, they're changing names, people get hurt, they can't come, that sort of thing. So 2024 will be the last shot at that. A lot of changes in my life. I haven't shared it, but I've been on a journey of what I'm just calling myself from a book years ago that I read, a paperback book called The Man in the Mirror, and I'm in competition with The Man in the Mirror, if you will. And last week, 25th consecutive FDIC. I've been there the last 25 years, always stayed weekend to weekend. Most of the time, 8 nights where I've spent 2 Friday nights or 2 Saturday nights in Indianapolis. And this last week, I didn't drink one drop of alcohol, liquor, not a drop of beer, not a drop of a mixed drink. I drank a lot of Cokes, ate a lot of cheesecake, and a lot of Ben & Jerry's ice cream to make up for it. So by no means, if you drink beer or drink, I think, I love it. I'm not saying I'm quitting forever. I'm just taking a break to give my mind a rest, sleep better, give my liver a break, and also on a journey of just getting healthier. So instead of like coffee, water, and beer, I'm drinking like water, coffee. I'm back to Mountain Dew like I was years ago. Mountain Dew is the first energy drink ever invented. It's the most affordable energy drink. And my two boys at workout got me trying to get in over 200 grams a day of protein. So it's pretty crazy. And I tell you what, when I just from stop drinking St. Patrick's Days, when I quit, man, it's like I think I'm down to like a 34 waist, maybe a 33. I don't know. My belts, I'm about to have to buy all new belts, but definitely more energy. Got to set up a gym over here at the cottage with the Peloton. Got a whiteboard to write some stuff down. You can see the old picture there that Chief Grace gave me. And just going to make this room kind of a workout fire buff / thoughts and opinion room when it's raining outside or it's nasty on the dock. Tonight, Scott will be sending out what he does most of the time, a weekly box alarm post. For anybody that doesn't understand, the box alarm is on the website, countyfiretactics.com. You just click on the thing, you give your email, but you have to then check your email, check your junk mail, confirm you register yourself, and you'll get the first emails before anybody else when we do something like the CFT 50 or the CFT 100, or we open up the boot camp for battalion chief, which the next two classes are sold out. October sold out, January sold out. So you have to be signed up for the box alarm. So join it. I think we're pushing 4,000 people that get an email each time we send it out. Please share and post and like this so we can, get the stuff out there, get things happening as we get into some stuff. Anybody that signed up for the box alarm is going to get the full People Before Water program. Yep, the one I just started, FDIC, with a packed house. It's the full PowerPoint with the videos, everything from the entire slide presentation. So you can teach it at the kitchen table to just one person, your company. You can teach it to the whole battalion. So later this week, on the box alarm, whoever signed up for that email group, you're going to get the full PowerPoint on the box alarm. We're going to start sending out other stuff, training material for those that can't find on what to train on or share or that sort of thing. So just make sure you get signed up for it. Here, if you got something you want me to talk about in the future, just post the comments. I'm working on putting a calendar together. He's going to send it out tonight on the box alarm, but Corley Moore's going to have me on the scrap for the 200 on, I think it's a Tuesday, but it's July 11th. July 11th, I'll be on scrap for scrap 200. I'm more excited about this one than ever before. I've been working on some notes. And something that's kind of structured to share. Also going to give away a bunch of fire conference passes, material, a free webinar, things like that. So I'm into giving away stuff more than ever before. As I put on here, search. I'm wearing a search shirt, not just searching for trapped civilians in a fire building, but searching for your meaning, searching for your purpose, searching for your passion. What is it? I've been like definitely the last 3 months, but more so the last, I'd say 5 months or so. Thanksgiving's probably what spiraled it into structure. And then, not specifically January 1st, but, sometime in January is when I really made a mental focus. And obviously St. Patrick's Day, when I made a choice to take a break from drinking. And when I say take a break, I'm not saying I'm going to quit forever. Nothing happened. I didn't get a DUI. I didn't go to jail, nothing like that. I just want to be able to sleep better. I want to be able to go to more fires. I mean, I have a assigned take-home Chiefs buggy. It's almost like a mini rescue truck. And if there's a multiple alarm fire, and I want to go and I have something to offer, I can go. So that's, a big factor. And I'm buffing more fires around the country on radio reference and listening to, I'm just, focused more on fire. Sounds crazy, but I'm probably more into the fire department now than I ever have been in my life. What I mean by that is just little things like getting up in the morning at 5 a.m., 5:30 and just checking, FDNY, the fire wire, checking out, what's going on, a little deeper meaning and reading. I grew a mustache because I've never been able to grow one. The only time I had one was right after 9/11. I had a huge spot right here. So the mustache is just to kind of make it fun. You know, shoot, if I'm not going to drink, why not have a mustache and go to as many jobs and fires as you can? Putting a little healthier eating. I've never tried to pull in, you know, the grams that I should. So, you know, I think I was up to like 232, 233. I'm down to like 211 now, weight-wise. So just a lot of different things. You know, at the end of the day, I challenge each and every one of you, you know, especially if you're past that midway point, you got less years on this planet, less years here on earth than you've already been. It's just search for what, you know, you want to get done before your time's done. And for me, my purpose, my passion's always been the fire service. So I'm going to focus on giving back more than I've ever given back. However I can pull up. At the end of the day, we all got to have money. We got to pay our bills. Absolutely. Nothing wrong with firefighters making money, teaching fire, fighting, and that sort of thing. You know, it's crazy. The ones that are anti-fire on your job. It's okay to make money building houses, building fences, cutting grass. You can make money doing anything, but God, man, you are a sinner if you make money doing stuff fire related. So, you know, I'm totally okay with that. But for me, I'm at a point now where I want to make, you know, an impact, if you can, more than I ever have. And when I can give back, just like giving back this brand new People Before Water program where somebody can use it however they want to deliver it. So that's it. I don't have anything huge. This is really just to let you know that we're going to be coming back wide open with structured videos. Hopefully most of the time it's going to be on the dock. Remember, search. Make sure you check out, you know, Chief Brush's Quenchable Faith, Rose of Fire. Make sure you like this site. Please share this. Please post it. Make sure you sign up for the box alarm. I'm going to be sending out a lot of material, starting with the People Before Water program. And remember, great seeing you, Chief Hovelman. Great seeing a lot of you at FDIC. Like I said, man, I got around more at this FDIC than I have in years. Chief Rhodes just nailed it out of the ballpark. This FDIC felt like it did for me like 15 and 20 years ago. So motivating. You know, I'd say my clarity, my focus, my drive, my purpose, my passion is the strongest it's ever been, but with a clear, sober, you know, mind 24/7. I'm not saying I'm quitting drinking forever, so don't say I'm just, you know, we'll see when it goes to, but definitely excited to be able to do some stuff. So with that, man, I hope to see you at a conference here in the future. We're pushing about 500 for Command Officer Boot Camp 200 in 2 weeks. 243 attendees coming by airplane in 2 weeks to Pensacola Beach. And Dreamcatcher Shuttle Service will be picking them up for free. So Jessica's waiting on me to walk the dog. So God bless you. Have a great night. Share this video. Spread the word. The doc videos are back. And they're going to be back frequently, at least once, if not twice a week. And some other stuff on YouTube at CFT Fire Ops, where we posted a bunch of videos. And we'll be sending out training material so we can push it forward, pay it forward, and make it a better fire service. And let's focus on search and getting civilian fire fatalities below 2,000. When smoke detectors fail, we cannot fail. Operational, tactical proficiency is what's going to get it done when fire prevention has plateaued out. Thanks. Have a great night.